In this video, you'll learn how to reset your Taskrabbit password. By following these steps, you will be able to regain access to your account quickly and easily. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.taskrabbit.com and press enter. This action will take you to the Taskrabbit homepage where you can manage your account settings. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You will see an option labeled Sign Up Login. Click on this button to proceed to the login section. After clicking Sign Up Login, you will be directed to the login page. Here, locate the button that says Login and click on it. This will take you to the login form where you can enter your credentials. In the login form, find the text that reads, "Forgot your password." This option is located below the password entry field. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. A new page will open prompting you to enter the email address or phone number linked to your Taskrabbit account. Make sure to input the correct information, then click the submit button to continue. Next, check your email inbox or your phone for a message from Taskrabbit. They will send you a password reset link or a code. Ensure that you look in your spam or junk folder if you do not see it in your main inbox. Once you receive the link or code, follow the instructions provided in the message. If you click the link, it will direct you to a page where you can set a new password. If you received a code, you will need to enter it on the website to proceed. After successfully resetting your password, return to the Taskrabbit login page, enter your email or phone number along with the new password you just created. Click the login button to access your account with your updated credentials.